So my character's name is Shruti in the movie, and if I have to give a gist of how she is, she's someone who's very sorted, who is a go-getter in life, very confident and enthusiastic, and has a zeal. Um, so uh, so this girl and her partner in crime, who's Shakti. This movie revolves around them and their journey all throughout. From the business or wedding planning to um, how they meet, how they become business partners, to what happens next. So it's kind of a roller coaster ride for both of them, in a very cute Tom and Jerry chase way. Yeah. My director, Gokul Krishna, he's been my onboard tutor for my language. I've never really had any formal training in the language, but I still remember I had to audition for the movie to get the movie, and for that I had to learn some dialogues and scenes in Tamil and Telugu. Um, so I'd done the scenes, I rehearsed it, and I did the scenes. I auditioned for it, which is when I got the role. And post that, when I was on board for the film, I came here to shoot. Before the shoot, I came here, and I started doing some training lessons for the language with my director. He would actually translate everything for me, and I would pen it down, and then I would write it in English, and then um, uh, interpret it in Hindi, and then try learning it. So I think I had no professional official training. It was just my director who helped me understand the language and get a good hold of it. Hmm. Um, well, say Band Baja Bharat had a very North Indian flavor to it. And Aha Kalanam is it's an it's an extent of southern culture. It's made keeping the southern culture and flavor in mind. Um, uh, so without deviating from the essence of the film, which we cannot because it is an official remake of the movie, we've tried to bring about some changes in the scenes, and the way we've enacted certain scenes are different from how it has been there already in the original. So yeah, I mean, we haven't really deviated too much from the original storyline of the film, but there have been few changes, like few minor changes in the scenes. Okay. So I have seen Band Baja Barat, though I love the movie. I really am a big fan of the film, but I've only seen it once, which was when it had released. I still remember going with my mother and catching the show. But post that I didn't see. And in fact, when I got to know that I'll be doing Aha Kalanam, I made sure that I don't watch that film. Because I never wanted, even in my subconscious mind, to have any impact of that film, and me to unintentionally, repeat the same that has already happened. For me, I've given my best shot. I've honestly tried to make Shruti Subramaniam very fresh and very new. I hope that you all also feel the same. And I believe that every actor has a different, demeanor, different body language, different energy level, different way of approaching a particular scene. Yes, that's true that the dialogues are the same, the script is the same, the way your director would enact a certain scene, keeping the original in mind. You can't really deviate from that. But whatever little bit I could do from my end, me and Nani both whatever little changes we could bring about, and however we could make it look more fresh and different and unique, we've tried our level best, and I think it does look, when you watch Aha Kalyanam, you will see that Shakti and Shruti have a very, it doesn't even feel that you're watching a remake. Of course, if you consciously have it in your head that it is a remake, then you will feel it's a remake, but otherwise it is such a, it seems like a fresh chemistry, it is a fresh story, and you actually feel that it is Shruti and Shakti, of Aha Kalyanam. It will not remind you of a Bittu and Shruti from Band Baja Bharat. Oh, I was happy enjoying. See, one thing which doesn't, you can't take away happiness and joy, joyous moments from a wedding, be it a Tamil wedding, be it a Telugu wedding, be it a North Indian wedding. You know that people love weddings. You know, there's this emotional bond. You know, your sentiments are attached. You know, at certain occasions like these. So, you know, we all are humans at the end of the day. We might have a different cultural background, but it is always fun to see, you know, cross-cultural weddings or different cultural weddings and experiencing that. Especially, you know, the Telugu wedding, I and Nani were discussing, and he was telling me everything, how it happens here, how, you know, when the groom is stepping out, you know, the brother-in-law is supposed to wash his feet. Yeah, so all of that, you know, all the customs and all, it is sweet. Those moments are sweet, you know, and the very fact that they're supposed to gift. And I was sharing with him that, you know, even in North India, you're supposed to, there is a custom of hiding away the groom's shoes, you know, the sister-in-law hides away the shoes. And it's funny because then they demand money for it in return. And so I guess these small little cute moments is what makes a wedding special. And I really had fun experiencing all these cultural weddings that have happened, that have taken place in the movie. See, it is the society that influences the cinema, and it is the cinema in turn then, you know, influences the society. And I don't think it'll be a bad deal if people get inspired or influenced and they want to start up a business like this because honestly, you know, come to think of it, when you're actually planning a wedding at your house, it makes sense to have a wedding planner because the wedding planner can, you know, take over all the tension and responsibilities that, you know, that bind you from enjoying each and every moment which you can spend, you know, with your loved ones. So all the hecticness and the running around is taken care of the wedding planner, from the food catering to the, you know, from the decorations, from everything, from the decor of the place and from inviting the guests and looking after them and for the enjoyment, entertainment, everything is taken care by wedding planners. So I don't think it's a bad thing. In fact, a lot of people who have such hectic, busy lives, it becomes, the life is a lot more sorted and easier when they hire a wedding planner if there's a family wedding happening in the house. So not bad, nah, if people actually start having wedding planners here. It's a good working opportunity. There'll be less recession. ये तो कोई rumor मैंने सुना ही नहीं है कभी. तो वो rumor बहुत ही weak rumor है क्योंकि वो मुझ तक नहीं पहुंचा. But but honestly, Nani and I are such good friends. Yeah, I mean, I'm better friends with his wife actually, Anju now, and all three of us hang out, and they've been so courteous and sweet with me, you know, because I'm so clueless in Hyderabad. They take me around, they take me to places and all. So I think this, it's not nice to listen to such rumors, you know. क्योंकि मैं friends हूँ अपने co-actor के साथ. You're friends with everyone who you work with, and there's no crime in being friends with people who you work with. There's a better working equation when you know you have a better equation with people off screen as well. So yeah, the rumor is certainly a rumor which should die down soon because you know, it doesn't really have anything to hold on long for. Yeah. नानी नहीं छोटा मुझसे. नानी मुझसे इनफैक्ट an inch or two लंबा है. I think so. I think so, हाँ, yeah. Making of the movie. मैं अभी भी बहुत inexperienced हूँ. मुझे सिर्फ एक experience मिला है movie हिंदी में और यहाँ. But whatever little experience that I've got, you know, since you can say that it was my first movie, that is why I was so nervous in my first movie. I could never really enjoy the whole, you know, the off-screen time, the off-shoot time, because I was constantly, you know, ripping my mind apart as to what else do I have to focus on and learn, and, you know, I was actually very nervous. I think here also I was very nervous because it was a very important part for me to play, and the language was also a barrier for me. But I think the team has been so wonderful. My director has been so calm and patient that they've really made me come at ease, and I felt very comfortable making a mistake here. You know, my director would always say that it's okay if you make a mistake, because there will always be another take. And you're human. You're bound to make mistakes. I'm no Superman. I make mistakes. Everybody else makes mistakes. But as long as you're determined and you're hardworking and you're focused, I think you'll achieve in the end whatever you desire to. It is a That's a stunt, okay. No, it's a romantic movie at the end of the day. If there's no romance, then it will never be termed as a romantic film. And like I said, it is an official remake, so all the essential scenes of the movie are captured and translated in they've been translated also in the Aha Kalyana movie. And I think certain scenes that you're talking about are very essential for the movie to move ahead, for the story to move, because it's a turning point. It's a very essential turning point for the script, for the story. So yeah, it's been retained. Kejriwal, Aam Aadmi Party. I want to stay as far away as I can from politics, but I think if they have, if they can bring about a good change in a good way without any anarchy, then I'm up for it. I'm all support for the people who are thinking for the betterment of the country. He's resigned today. So I'm sorry I've been late with that information. Thank you for imparting that news with me. But yeah, I mean, I will think about it. I will never want to comment on something which I'm not really sure of. Now that you've imparted the information, I think I will go read the news. But yeah, I mean, what do you think about it? It's good that he's resigned? Okay. All right. Thank you.